Oh, oh. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Benton! Oh, Jesus Christ! Benton! Okay, look at the camera. Smiling. Okay, lady, open your...
Gracie! 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 There's the hose. There it is. No, maybe not. I'm excited, but I'm confused. What are you doing? Maybe I just get in.
Hey, pups, you woke up way too early, but if you insist, we can go on vacation right now. You're so impatient. Okay, I got it. You want on vacation.
Leaving someone you love is the worst feeling in the world. Let me teach you the fastest way to have good night's sleep. Each of us has a different love language, and this is his.
Hey, you two are being very noisy. Keep it quiet in here, okay? Thank you.
When a boy doesn't want anyone near his mama, he'll do this. Treats only satisfy his stomach, but he needs kisses to satisfy his love. Pawpaw is the exclusive puppy's PT that you can't hire even with money. Doggy definitely believes that Papa will take him to interesting places with good food. The one thing this puppy can't live without is the attention from Papa. If coffee keeps you awake, this friend keeps you energized without the side effects. She wants the world to know who she belongs to.
That's right, baby. Nice and slow.
5 seconds is enough for this child to make the delivery man want to be his papa.
When your crush's visuals are on a whole new level. Automatic washing machines cannot be purchased with money. Hope everyone has a fulcrum for themselves like this. Love can turn you into a child who loves to be pampered.
Can you not? Anytime.
feels nice. Good boy, you got pretty beautiful eyes.
The moment you know all the love you've given Kitty is worth it. General image of boyfriends when they are with their loved ones. The fullness of life. Indispensable family bonding activities. Moments cannot be bought with money.
Non-stop.
This is your only chance to get close to your crush like. The best spiritual meal humans have. Undeniable reward when a horse gives you a heart.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm! Wait. Everybody!
I think Cora's gonna chase it. Go, Henry. Oh, Charles is coming. Oh my. This is the first time that Charles and Henry and Cora have played like this. Can't chase the ball far. See if you chase it.
Hey girl, what brand is that? Can I try? Right there, thanks.
Okay.
This kind of synergy can only come from being best friends.
Pancakes!
Do you want to get a cat now? Why not? Thanks for watching and see ya!
Bentley.
Phoenix, damn it, stop it.
No! I can't tell if you...
Well, lucky.
Okay, stop. Let's see what happens. Oh. There's Mommy. Mommy, yay! Hi, buddy. Hi. Good joke. You might want to pull your tongue back in. Hey, bud.
You big dummy.
You okay, bud?
Ooh, ah, ah, eh, ooh, ah, ah, eh, ooh, ah, ah, eh, ooh, ah, ah, eh, ooh, ah, ah.
Nova.
Let's go. Come on. Yep, bring your stick.
Yep, bring it inside. Okay. Come on. Okay, Suede, too much. Hey, too much.
Gotta have his treat. Do whatever it takes.
You love your puppy. Yeah. And off he goes. You're the most curious little kitty. But you don't want it.
With the way tonight, 38 comes back as she lay down. She's gonna have to drive herself into the easiest box here.
You probably think all pets are sick, either weak or feel gentle Bentley. No.
Frank, get the ball.
Harry, I'm offering it to you literally on a silver spoon. Crazy kitty.
Hey, buddy.
Stop it. Stop messing up the papers.
Oh, no, don't let her. Just say,
Stop.
All these cats are getting so high. Look at them.
You're never sing anymore.
Princess, what are you doing?
Funny?
I can't see. Peekaboo. Wait, peekaboo. I see you. Peekaboo. I see you.
Hmm? 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 Yeah?
Hey!
What? Oh, Madison.
Oh, yes! Yeah,
Yeah.
Huh? Huh?
Tonka, let's go. Come on. Tonka, come.
Cannot believe my eyes. Tilly.
Drink. Oh. Oh my god.
When you're scratching an icy puddle, it's the most satisfying snow spa day ever. Behold, the cutest snow shovel ever. Not every efficient, but adorable. Winter cleanup service, anyone? We'll mob the snow and your sorrow away. What a snowslide pro! He's making me question my own snow game abilities. Looks like he's singing the Christmas carols with a side of winter snacks. Buried treasure from last summer. No biggie with our snow explorer.
Look at mommy. Hi, look at mommy. Oh, and you. Oh.
Gracie.
No matter how hard you try, sometimes heights just aren't for you. Check out this natural-born dancer. Her tail's got its own choreography. Whoever loses something, we will know who the culprit is. Bet their favourite show must be the weather forecast. Haha.
Say hey, so there's the app. That's a peek out.
Sheba.
Extra punch. Noah! Don't kill me. Wee. No, Mama!
Proszę wybaczyć, nie jestem odpowiednio ubrany, nie szkodzi. Sir Clifford pyta, czy nowe bażanty się...
Oh my gosh! That is too much. That is real life right now.
Yeah.
That is real life. Look at this.
With this giant snowball, the title of the Snowball Fighting Champion is all his. Doesn't he look like a fluffy tornado of excitement? Yes, yes he does. Name one weather forecaster who can't stand the winter reality check. This guy.
Hey Rory, some lady on the internet says you're cold. You should probably come inside. You're not made for this cold weather.
Jumping like a deer 'cause Winter Olympics, here we come.
Snow is gone.
When the snow's over, you will never hear the end of this.
I don't know what to tell you.
This dog's snow acrobatics game is on point. Who knew she had such balance? Playing with the owner on his favourite trampoline is definitely a core memory for this dog. Doing handstands, cause she just doesn't want to ruin her new shoes. Introducing the ultimate tag team champions, Dog and Goat, undefeated in the snowy ring. Ice bathing? Nah, that's too basic. Snow bathing it is.
Hey, Snow Dog!
Looks like Frosty met his match. No chance against this furry boy.
Can I have my shovel back, sir? Excuse me, sir. Sir, I need my shovel. Arlo, come here! Arlo!
When it's finally the winter vacation. Hooray!
Oh my...
Kenny! Kenny!
Kayla, get her! Get her! Come on, that's five. That's five.
Snowball Effect presented by Professor Puppy, explaining the physics of winter fun. When your dog and his teddy bear decide to have a snow day playdate.
Anybody want to come inside? Anybody?
And the Best Snow Performance category has honored this winner. Big applause!
Me trying to convince my mum I'm sharing.
Mom told me she no longer loves me and I am up for adoption.
That is not what I said. I said you can't have second dinner.
That's the same thing.
Can dog get a degree in trimming plants? Give him one, please.
Nope.
Daily reminder, head up. This is the confidence level we need. Just checking if these ears are as soft as they look. They are.
Using his mouth muscles to chew is already too difficult for this boy.
Beep. Deep.
Hey!
If Golden could get someone to do it for him, he definitely wouldn't do it.
Slinky, me tengo que ir. Vente, ven. ¡Ah! No me muerdas porque te voy a dar. Mira, vente. ¡Ah!
I repeat, it is the one who must get away from me. I do not move.
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
He couldn't wait to be reunited with his comfortable bed.
Is it? Is it? I swear to God.
Trying to push my pile of laundry into the washing machine like... when goat yoga went horribly wrong. Get out of me, Matt! My sibling when I reach for the last slice of pizza.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Go down. Poor baby. You want to get up? Poke. You want to get up?
Check out this natural-born dancer. Her tail's got its own choreography. Never give up, even if it's clearly not meant to be. This is an illustration of my brain when I try to focus. This is what happens when you let the interns run the project. Cutely messy. Look at how this boy uses chopsticks. He's an expert. No doubt, this puppy's spine is made of jelly.
Yeah.
Surveillance camera footage. These puppies are plotting a great escape. Eyes on them.
Today my mom...
It's the goat version of Meow, but cuter.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
When the teacher is talking, but the sun is shining. Bet this mama goat is wondering what she did to deserve this. treat. One question, please.
Oh, Buddy! Oh. What did you do? Come on, bud, I gotcha.
Hola, where's your hair tie? Looks like a mad scientist who wandered into the wrong villain convention.
Why are you leaning like that?
Lose the cam. Even dogs have their awkward photo moments.
What?
When we said leg day, this is not what we meant, bro. Of games and fun, size does matter. When you love the snow, but the owner tries to clear it away. No doubt, biting is their love language, but one nibble at a time.
Hey! Whoa, sorry. I didn't mean to do that.
Jesus. Why?
I cannot get any.
Чё, Марюк? Земля не близко? Вот это спорт. Это я понимаю.
Люди, это называется...
Вот так кинул мячик, и целых 3 часа можешь заниматься своими делами. А, тя. Мочи не хочу ножки. А, не поддается мечела. Опа!
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
Noah! Give me a high five! Yes!
皆さんの皆さん、生視点、噂の真相に迫る。
見てください。
Have a kiss?
So, Charles, Kuss. Ja, fein. Ja, fein. Ist die gut.
Ah, これにね、今日はこれで回っちゃったの。あ、来た来た。